This is how to sprout. Now you get a little solid container like this.
Okay.
You get another one to match. You put holes in one, not holes in the other. And then we're going to go get the seeds. 1 cup of seeds, please. There you go. 1 cup of seeds into the jar. All right. Now we're going to take water, purified water, if possible. Fill this little fellow with water. Let this stay overnight in the kitchen on the kitchen sink. Then you take this little fellow and dump him into the one with holes in it. Right like that. And all the water's going to go away. Under the sink, you're going to give it a little rinse, and let it drip dry in this little water container and sprout.
How many days?
I want this to be rinsed twice a day, morning, evening, and in 3 days, you have 4 times more food value in a sprouted little green pea from New England.
And what do? You just cut it?
No, you just eat it like this, or you make soup out of it.
Oh, good.
And they're ready.
Throw it in your salad too, right?
Salad. Yes, I add this, and we more mix the green peas and a magic mix. I put them all together. See, they make edible art.
Yeah.
And you eat them raw.
How
Such a
neat.
deal.
Thank you so much.